Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to write a program that will ask the user to give first and second number, and then our program will perform division to find the quotient of the two given numbers using Delphi or Delphi programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all of my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. We have here a form, and then we have here label 1, label 2, edit 1, edit 2, no? So we have four buttons: divide, clear, about, and quit. So in the divide, so we get the conversion string to number, edit 1.text, that text, because the text is numeric text, we will convert it to numerical, and then this line of code, result num1 divided by num2, and then label to display the output. Now looking back, we have here the clear button, so it will ask you to go, do you want to close this program? If it is yes, it will close the form. No, it will clear the text box, and then we have here the set focus. And then the third button is about. It will display the name of the developer, in this case yours truly, Dr. Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, PhD TM, about this program. And then for the quit, it will ask you, are you sure you want to close this program? If yes, it will close, and then if no, text box here, set focus. Now let us run the program. Okay, enter first value. Let's say we have 100. Second will be 10. Click this button. We have here a tooltip, no? It will display. Okay, so the quotient of 110 is 10. Clear. About the program, it will display about this program created by Dr. Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, PhD TM. Quit. Do you want to quit? No. Again, we have here 12 and 4. Divide, we have 3. The quotient between 12 and 4 is 3. Do you want to quit? Yes, it will close the program. Again, let us run the program. Let's say 500 divide by 20. The result is the quotient between 500 and 20 is 25. About the program created by Dr. Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, PhD TM. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on divide two numbers in Delphi. Thank you so much for listening and watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.